welcome to our post-match press conference. Congratulations to the FEU Lady Tamaraws for beating the UP Fighting Maroons in 4 sets. The Lady Tamaraws are now in joint third place with the UST Golden Tigresses at 7-4. They have Coach Tina Sala, Paido Bacanque, and Chenny Tagaw. Coach, congratulations for this victory. It was a back and forth. Fourth set, lamang kayo ng 12-3, tapos UP lumamang ng 22-16 at naging git-gita, pero nahabol nyo at naging git-gita ng gagdulo. So, ano masasabi mo sa pinakita ng girls nung fourth set?
Para ako nanonood ng action, biglang drama, biglang ang hirap para sa amin na na-maintain yung lead. So, pero nakita ko yung maturity ng mga players kung paano namin i-handle yung behind 4 points. So, very happy na nagkaroon kami ng ganun turnout. Kapag sabihin natin may drama, may action, pero at the end, masaya lahat. So, thank you. Thank you sa inyo.
Thank you to Chenny. You had 13 attacks, 1 service ace, 18 excellent receptions, and 3 digs. So yun nga, very important to match ito kasi syempre, para maganda yung pwesto nyo sa top 4. So, ano masasabi nyo na naibawi niyo yung pagkatalo niyo sa UP sa first round?
Siyempre po sobrang importante ng game yan kasi nga lang sinasabi sa amin na mas winning. Kailangan namin, hindi naman sa nag-aabot, pero kailangan pa namin masiyangat yung standing namin kasi nga may goal kami. Ngayong second round, so ayun, sobrang happy kasi parang lumalabas yung mga pinaghirapan natin. Pero yun nga, trabaho pa rin.
Thank you to Paida. You had 20 points on 17 of 38 attacks, 3 blocks, and 7 digs. So you had a lot of crucial spikes in the fourth set. So how happy are you right now that FEU is now still in third place in the standings? What can you say?
The first, I want to say thank God to God, to Lord. So it was not easy. Like when I'm thinking in the first round, we lost again UP. So it's like my motivation to beat back again UP. To show who I am, who we have, like that. So we cannot beat down again with UP. So that is why I want to adjust myself and then improve my spike or defense. So I'm so happy. And then also I'm so happy also with my teammates. So that is mean without them I cannot do everything. I cannot spike, I cannot defense. They are always there for me. They are always there to push me to be happy and enjoy inside the ring. So happy. Thank you.
Thank you, Paida. Okay, the floor is open for